Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wanted to share with you a cute little fall folio that I made using the Fall Friends Journal Pages kit, which is a collaboration of 2 digital kits by RachandBella Crafts in collaboration with Journals in Time. So if you want to purchase these beautiful kits, one collection of the kits is 15 images available on RachandBella Crafts Etsy store. The other is 16 images available in Journals in Times store, and I'll provide those links in the description box below for you. So this one here did have some beautiful images at the top and bottom, but once I print these out, sometimes I like to use these pieces here as like a little mini strip of collage, or maybe I'll cut out just, maybe I need just this little piece or something to fill in. So that's what happened to these images. They are beautiful images, and there was so many to choose from. I absolutely loved working with this fun fall kit. So without further ado, let's get started and take a peek at my fun little fall folio that I was able to make. Now, I did just make a little ribbon closure. It does kind of have a few issues here because I have one of the little tabs up here. But you can see this is the back of the journal. I've got a cute little lace trim. This was made from a file folder, and then I used their beautiful digital papers and just enhanced with some embellishments. I've got my fun little splatters here, so those don't actually come on the papers, but you can add to them and decorate as you see fit. You'll also notice inside the journal I have a lot of Nuvo drops added there just to also add some fun and texture to the images that are already beautiful as they are. So you don't have to do those things, but you can definitely still embellish however it is that you would like to with these digital pages. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. On the front cover here, again, I've got some splattering, but this page I absolutely loved for the cover because you could put some wording here, maybe your favorite fall quote, or maybe someone's name, or if this was, maybe you want to put the year, maybe you went to a pumpkin patch, or whatever the case may be, you can put your title here, or you can just enjoy the beauty of it as it is. I enhanced with a little bit of lace on the spine here and some wooden little flat back pieces here that just went with the collection. So then we open it up this way here. This is the first flip. And again, we have this beautiful sunflower here, and I did put some Nuvo drops on it. I don't know if you can see that shine and texture. Maybe you can. And I absolutely love that. Some room for some journaling here, or maybe some small photos, maybe a pressed flower. Maybe you have a sunflower or something pressed that you like. And then over here, we have a little journaling spot up here with some cute images. And I did use a whale tail punch or tab here and a brad there for decoration. I have this thing about things with wings need to glitter. So I did put some stickles on those beautiful butterflies and a little bit of Nuvo right in the middle here just to make them shine and have a little texture. On this tag here, this was just a strip of one of my leftovers, so I turned it into a tag and added some Nuvo drops to this cute little image. Now, some of these images may print differently on your printer. I actually was running out of ink. Just got a new printer for this set and been trying to learn it my best as I can. Much improvement needed on my part. This is a pocket here, and then this is a pocket here. So you have 2 pockets there, plus this little pocket up here. We've got some glittery mesh. I absolutely love glittery mesh. It does provide a little bit of glitter sprinkles around, so if you don't like the glittery sprinkles around, don't use glittery tulle or glittery mesh. But I love it. I think it adds just that perfect little bit of sparkle here. This is a coin envelope, and it does pull out, and it has one of these cute little woodland foxes here on the back, so you can have some journaling on the back and a cute little fox and mushroom there on the front, and it just slides right back in here. In a perfect world, yay, it does. Okay, and then another one of those little brads to decorate there. A beautiful image here with some of these leaves. Again, they may print out different colors on your printer. My printer was running out of ink, so I made the best of what I could here. I did have a little dangly charm here, and that is just on a ball pen. Now this part flips down. You can see the piece of my file folder here, and it has all of these beautiful images from the 2 kits. I absolutely love them. There's a little hedgie right there. So sweet. Mushrooms. This one is just a flip. You could put a photo here or just enjoy the images. This one here is a little flip that goes like this, and you've got this cute little cluster of pumpkins and a little boot. I love that. I probably will put some more Nuvo drops on here. I just didn't get there. There's our cute little hedgie again with the little sunflower in her hair. Absolutely love it. More beautiful sunflowers, some pretty coordinating lace. That is a little flip that way. That flips back up that way. There's our pretty little charm and an eyelet there. And then this whole thing flips open like this. So this is the center of our book, the main focal. We've got a cute little tag in here, and you have this cute little mouse guy with some apples. Love that. And then this is actually a tag on the back here. Now you can choose to leave it open like this for more journaling, but you will see this little brad. You could put a strip of paper over there, or maybe some washi tape to hide that, or you can just glue it together and that will fix the problem. That is a great pocket there. I love this little collage piece here, so this is part of where some of that collage went to. And you can see again my flowers are shining because I put some Nuvo drops on them and some stickles here on the wing. And more Nuvo on this guy here. I absolutely love putting Nuvo drops on these. It just makes them have that texture. A little more sparkly mesh. Can't get away from the sparkly mesh. I just love it. So this one flips up. Hopefully we can stay in camera here. Flips up, got this beautiful trio of pumpkins. Now this printed just a little bit light because I was starting to run out of ink, but I actually like it. So, you know, yours might print out darker. You could make it print lighter, however you want. That is the beauty of digitals. You can customize your printing. This one here has a triangular pocket and a beautiful little tag with this owl image that is on the back. We could, again, adorn with more Nuvo drops on those flowers, and that would really make those pop. These ones as well, or you can leave them. I did leave a few of them just so we can see how beautiful they are without any enhancements there. The ink that I have around the edge is Rusty Hinge, Distress Oxide ink. So then this tag goes right back in this pocket. Maybe. There we go. And this one flips open here. Here is one of their lined pages. It does have some light, I don't know if you can see it here on camera, it does have some light cursive letters on there, almost like it was like a school age learning paper for writing. And then I used this image here and added some Nuvo drops just to add some enhancement there. And there's this sweet little fox. I put some Nuvo drops on the leaf on his head. I couldn't help myself there. But really no enhancements done there, just some inking around the edge. And that is our fun little folio. Let's flip it all back together and see if we can get it tied up. Okay, so this page, fold it in like this. Whoops, nope, this one. Nope, this one. There we go. Then this one. Then this one, then this one. Whew. And then this one is already flipped up here. So this one, then this one. And we have our beautiful little owl on the back and our 2 strings here to tie it up, our ribbon strings. And it all ties in just like this. Now these are wonderful things you can make out of any theme. Just a super great gift. I did teach this in one of the subscription groups that I teach in on Facebook. If you're interested in a subscription group, leave me a message down below and I can send you more information on that. I teach in 3 of them. I own 1 of them. And in all 3, we have so much fun. So I taught how to make this in there. But it's just made from file folders and envelopes and the digital papers. So don't forget, there's 2 collections to get you the full amount of pages that I have here. It gets you over just over 30 pages with both collections, and a lot of fun ephemera. I didn't even use it all. There was so much more that could have gone in here. There's tabs and tags and postcards and all kinds of fun papers. So again, go to RachandBella Crafts, Fall Friends Junk Journal Kit, and also Journals in Time, and it's the same Fall Friends Journal Pages Kit. And you get so many papers, and during the month of September, they're having a 30% off sale, but I'm a little late in posting my video. So sorry about that, but definitely you won't be disappointed if you download their kits. They are absolutely wonderful. Thank you both to Rose and Rachel for inviting me to take part in this Fall Friends Journal Pages collaboration. I had so much fun making this beautiful folio, and I hope everyone will make one as well and has enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all of the things, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.